puppy.
Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Interneters. I am Gadgetwala Papa, also known as Ankit.
I am Tapasya, also known as Tia.
Gadgetwali Tapasya, nahi?
Gadgetwali Tapasya, also known as Tia.
Okay, today's episode is a lot of fun. Now, in case you haven't already seen the first 3 episodes of Interneters episodes, please click on the I link somewhere up here so that you can catch up on the entire playlist of the 3 episodes. The attempt of Interneters is to have conversations about internet and technology with my daughter Tapasya, so that you can share these chats and videos with your own kids or with your family members and friends. And while we talk about and focus on what should not be done on the internet for the safety of our children, we are also going to be focusing on what should be done and what can be done on the internet, because the internet is an absolutely amazing tool and we can learn to do so many amazing things. So today's episode, as you can see, Tapasya is super excited about, because this is an idea that actually came from her. This is a service, a software, a website, an app that she loves using. So over to you, Tapasya. What are we talking about today?
So there's an app, it's called Canva. So on that, you can design things and you can make presentations, you can make cards, you can make invitations, and it's 3 plus. It's not even like it's 12 plus or 13 plus, it's 3 plus.
So the age rating is 3 plus. Yeah.
The age rating is 3 plus.
And Tapasya has been using Canva to do some really cool creative work, right, Tapasya? So here's what we're going to do on today's video. Tapasya is going to be sharing her screen, and what you're going to be seeing is a live tutorial of Tapasya making a Christmas greeting card. Are you excited about doing that, Tapasya?
Very. Yeah, if you want to make a new design, that time you press on create a design and then you search for Chris or whatever you're making, you search for that. So I'm making a Christmas card, so I'm searching for a Christmas card. Found it. This one looks nice. So this is how it looks when you find a design that you like and you want to edit it. So then you press on, and you can also change the font. Yeah. So my favorite font is this one. It's really cute.
That looks good. So whatever element you want to edit, you basically select it and you double tap on it so you can start editing it.
And over here you have all of the different things, uploads and photos and elements, text and stickers and videos and gallery and background. I don't know why it's BK ground, but folders and more. So there's all of that, whatever you want. So we're gonna go in elements and search for Christmas tree. So these are all pro, most of them, but see this little cute one, it's free. So let's just put it over here, and you can also change the size and also you can change the colors.
Okay, those magic recommendations, they look really nice, Tapasya, along with the Christmas tree, the sweater, etc.
Oh yeah, the magic. And this hot chocolate or whatever it is, it looks like some mug cake or something. This is also very cute. So I'm just going to remove these things, the snowflake type of thingamajig. I like to change the color of the cup. Okay, I really like this. Wait, let me find a hot chocolatey color. If there is a hot chocolate. This looks like poop. Okay, hot chocolate. Found it.
Okay, so as you can see, you can totally get lost in your creativity on Canva because there are so many elements that you can keep playing with. Tapasya, we need to make this video short. So can you choose one reindeer element and maybe wrap up the card then?
Yep, I found it. I found the one that I like.
Can you please add your name?
Okay.
In a visual world that we are in, if your child learns a graphic design like skill on an app like Canva, which has made it super easy and free to do amazing creatives like this that Tapasya has literally made in the last 10 odd minutes, it's time well spent. So don't just go after one metric, which is how much screen time my kid is getting, but focus on a metric which is called time well spent. And that is a very, very important thing when kids are online. Okay, looks like Tapasya has got a good greeting card.
I'll tell you how to save the design. So you just press, if you're doing it on the laptop, you'll get 3 dots. So you press on the 3 dots and then you'll get an option to download it. So you can download it as a PDF or PNG or whatever you want to download. And whenever you're downloading it, you get another quote.
Perfection is achieved not when there is nothing more to add, but when there is nothing left to take away. That is beautiful. Merry Christmas to my favorite person in the world from Tia. Thank you. That was lovely. That was lovely. I hope you're actually going to email me that greeting card after this.
I am.
Tapasya, thank you so much for this amazing walkthrough and live tutorial that you've done of this greeting card. I'm pretty sure that a lot of you are going to be making festive greeting cards for Christmas, for New Year, or any other personal occasion you have, birthday, anniversary, or anything like that.
And it's for all ages. Even adults will have fun.
Absolutely. By the way, Canva has not paid us to do this video. Like I said, this is a complete organic video. On Interneters, we are also going to be focusing on tools and services that your kids and you should enjoy on the internet, because the internet is a beautiful, positive thing if used well. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Interneters. It's bye-bye from us, and don't forget to follow or subscribe to the channel that you're watching this on. Yes, go ahead.
And comment down below which part you like.
Comment down below. Awesome. Thanks everyone for watching.